Hey guys, welcome back to the ongoing series Building Your Real Estate Empire, Cash Flow, and the 36 other financial metrics. Now, this is the chapter where we go through doing your homework. Now, in this chapter, we are really just trying to acquire all the essential data that we need before investing in our property. This is going to be a very short chapter. Now, before immersing yourself in the foundational calculations integral to real estate investments, addressing a crucial aspect is paramount: the need for raw data to facilitate accurate calculations and projections. Valuable information doesn't materialize effortlessly. It necessitates your active pursuit. These guidelines offer general direction, acknowledging that data accessibility can vary significantly across localities and transactions. However, learning from the JSE market debacles such as Steinhoff International, Tonga Tulip underscores the critical importance for investors to grasp the true nature of their investments. It's imperative to seek factual information as the consequences of overlooking this can be unfavorable. We mainly use two services. Either you can use the Lightstone or you can use the Windeed. Now, for property specific data, when considering the acquisitions of an income property, comprehensive knowledge of its income and expenses become crucial, emphasizing that an investment is essentially the purchase of an income stream rather than a physical property underscores the significance of focusing on the bottom line. Information regarding the income property generally comes from the seller or the seller's agent. Prior to delving into detailed financial analysis in the consequent chapters, the initial concern is verifying the accuracy of this actual data. Several approaches can aid in this verification process. One, you can review leases. You can examine leases to help gauge rental rates and their alignment with the seller's claim. Lease durations and renewal options significantly impact current figures and future performance forecasts. Property tax evaluation. Scrutinizing the property tax bill confirms expense accuracy and unveils potential abatements or phased assessments that might affect future costs. Utility bills verification. Cross checking utility bills against the seller's assertions helps gauge data reliably, prompts the explanation for any disparities. Seller's tax return sections. Extracting pertinent property related income and expenses. Details from the seller's tax returns can be revealing source of information. Incorporate representations in the purchase offer. Legal consultations can aid in including seller warranties regarding lease specifics and rent income in the purchase offer, ensuring accountability post transaction. Now for the market related data. Researching comparable sales, understanding lease rates, operating expenses, and local capitalization rates form an integral part of informed decision making. 1. Comparable sales. Exploring similar property sales offers insights through rare into market trends when obtained from public records or specific internet sources. 2. Lease rates and operating expenses data. Accessing information from brokers and property managers' facilities, understanding tenant preferences and actual operating costs. 3. Local capitalization rates. Knowledge of typical rates for specific property types and areas is invaluable for financial forecasting. Brokers and specialized sources like royalty rates, well, they use royalty rates, and we usually use the. This is where the Lightstone usually comes in. This is oh yeah, this is actually where the Lightstone app actually comes in. We can see property reports and various other reports to gather data around our market. This is usually how you'll navigate through the actual Lightstone app itself. to just check different types of properties depending on where you're actually trying to search, and you will actually just search and just get like a little bit of reporting to see, um, and you get basic information such as like who's owning the property, what kind of property it is, etc., etc. Um, we'll basically just go through the. We'll do a proper video on actually how to work around the Lightstone app in the later in this video series. Now, armed with comprehensive data, one can proceed to conduct an informed property analysis using actual real numbers. Now, in the next video, we're gonna actually just show you an example of how we actually just look through different properties and try to compare them. Anyway, guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck on your property journey. Anyway, cheers.